Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kementri badai pet ya ketenat karep karyang ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala pentip syaka yeng dorbar baka sorkar ke don yaki skim ki baladep wanra pat ki bedang temu ban wanra ban ajing Ïarap ki Nongrep Hawes Garu Hills ha kalyang ki dawai sbo ki dawai penyap kenyang bat ki sembai jing tung kumjuk ru kala penpau baki Marrep ki balala ban yo menta ki kentup yaki sembai keba bat sembai jur ki kor senret dawai bat ki dawai penyap kenyang ki ba ki Nongrep ki la ban yo Lyngba ki tenat Trai kam ha kalyang karep karyang ka Dr. Amperin kala jubab haka kenta keli jingkeli haka dorbar mang tingka kabalayat hinyo sngi menta ya ka jingbu jingkeli jong u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi baka sorkar kadang Trai ban penbha ya ki kor ai ya ki jingthong ban kershan ya ki Nongrep kham tam haka por baduna hapo ka scheme focus ki Nongrep ki bathung ya ki Marrep kinyo jing Ïarap pisa kabasan hajar na kabenta uwei pa uwei u Nongrep ban kershan ni ki kamrep jongki ban kintiu ya ka jingmi nalor kata ka Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Nidhi Yojana ka IPSA 100,000 shisnem shaki Trai jong ki Jaka rep ka kong Amperin kala kren ru shapang ka Kisan credit card ha ka baka scheme interest subvention ka ai ka jing shngan ha ka liang ka pisa tingka shaki Nongrep ki basiu ya ka ram jong ki ha ka por ka babyang kini ki Nongrep ki yo ya ka sut ka ba 100% na ka sarkar jilla nalor ka 1% ka bala ai da ka sarkar India.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 71A. Yes, sir. B. So the current availability of subsidized agricultural inputs in the district are high-yielding variety and hybrid of paddy and maize seeds, sprayers, integrated pest management kits. Farmers can avail these subsidized inputs through field functionaries of the department. C. Yes, sir. D. So the department has provided 210 units of sprinkler and 140 pump sets in 7 blocks of West Garu Hills to 140 farmers under the per drop more crop scheme. E, sir. Number 1, the focus. Under the scheme, farmers who belong to a producer group receive a financial assistance of rupees 5,000 per farmer to support agricultural activities and enhance productivity. 2, sir. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana or the PM Kisan provides financial benefits of rupees 6,000 per year to landholding farmers transferred in 3 equal installments. 3, sir. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or the PMFBY provide crop insurance to farmers covering non-preventable natural disaster. The state government also paid the farmers' share of the premium to ease the burden of the farmers. 4. The Kisan Credit Card. The interest subvention scheme on KCC provides financial security to standard borrowers from farmer borrowers. Standard borrower, those who pay the loan on time. These farmers also receive 4% interest subvention from the state government apart from the 3% received from the government of India. F, sir. Sir, the District Agriculture Office provides organic manure, biofertilizers, biopesticides, and capacity building of farmers for organic farming. District Horticulture Office implements Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region scheme and Meghalaya Organic mission in West Karo Hills, under which 10 farmer producer organizations take up organic certification of 4,500 hectares, which is under process of the agricultural lands.